welcome back to my channel. Do you like my shades? I got them go legit. Yeah, they're like 80 bucks. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a Sunday and I want to go to Camp Itumela. I've never been to Camp Itumela. Like, I've been in Palape for my trillion years now and I still haven't been to Camp Itumela. So I'm finna go there by myself because anyway. So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna show you guys the place. Yada yada yada. Yeah, shower. Me gonna me hanga baka bulela aircon. Yeah, hor grrr. Yeah, anyway, let's go to Camp Itumela. I don't even know how to get there, so I'll show you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna swim or not, but my swim stops didn't because I always try to go to the pool when I'm at the gym, so it's always in the car. So get I really going to go on a sunscreen. Get la bona get go for is it swimming? Is it swimmable or not? La bona re go gona le batho ba le bantsi I'm swimming ha ke lo one hela kana re le about 5. I might as well. So let's go to Camp Itumela, babe.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, I need to get away.
Papa, when I mean you have. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Where's my other phone? My mic, I don't know where the other piece is, so you probably can't hear me because of the truck. So I'm gonna use this phone as audio. Capish? I don't know how the girlies use the, like, do I use the voice recording? I don't know. I'll just use the recording as my sound. Okay. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. I came to Twin Rivers. I think when I introduced the vlog, I said I'm going to Camp Itumela, but I didn't go to Camp Itumela. I went to Camp Itumela, but it wasn't giving. Like, it wasn't giving at all. The pool was dirty. Not like I wanted to swim, but I'm just saying, what are the ambience wasn't ambiancing. So I decided to come a young 5 kilometers away from my house, or 10 kilometers, I don't know, sure. It's in the Gabia. So I came here to chill and do nothing. I'm joking. I think I am going to plan the game. It's a family fun day at church, and then after that I'm going to do like a youth ministry item that we need to do for the month of October. I need to think of plans, ideas, and how to execute, yada yada yada. And then after that I'm gonna read. I've been reading this book, yeah. It's like a snippet of The Bondage Breaker by Neil T. Anderson. So this is just a smaller version of it. It's like a trailer of the book basically. So yeah, I've been reading this, but I think I want to take a break from it, and I want to start reading this book. It's titled The Lady's Mind by Francine Rivers. It's a novel. I'm not a novel reader, but I want to branch out of my comfort zone. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, today, oh my god, I got iPad or something. Woo! Today I want to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you guys about being comfortable in being around you, you know, because it's been how long? 2021, 22, 2021, 2022, it's been about 4 years and I can confidently say that I don't have friends like that in Palape. Well, one, because I think I don't know how to make friends anymore. Two, I'm always in my house. I'm hoping that God can drop a friend just from the sky into my house. I'm joking. But this is me coming to you to say you can still do it alone. You can still do it by yourself. I remember was it 2015 when I went to Durban. Yeah. My travel buddy, aka Tso, couldn't go with me to Durban. And I asked people around, like, do you want to go to Durban? And none volunteered to go to Durban. Best believe I signed up to go to Durban by myself. Thought I was gonna go to Durban. Thought I was already gone because I had already paid. I had already paid. I had done everything. You know what? I remember the last meeting I met a friend. I met some girl and I was like, you know what, babe? Me and you were besties starting from today. That was when I used to make friends. So I want to encourage you that if you do not have any friends, you can still do the things that you love. Like, I came here by myself. It's not that creepy. It's not that weird. Or even if you think people are looking at you weirdly, people are minding their own business, babe. They don't care about what you do or who you're with. They do not care. So do things by yourself. You do not need to wait for your friends to do things. Essentially, you're gonna wait for 10 years. Like, I'm gonna tell you for free that there's this other lady. She was telling me she wants to go to what's that? She wants to go to Rail Park and I'm like, bruh, you live right by the road. Like, basi go straight to Rail Park, and then you come back home. She's like, no, I want somebody to take me. I'm like, girl, you're gonna wait for the rest of your life, because nobody's gonna stop their lives to take you to your destination. What I'm basically saying is, plan that trip. Go to that trip by yourself. Go to that concert by yourself. Do everything by yourself. Do not be afraid to be comfortable sitting alone or eating alone or doing things by yourself. Yeah. Anyway, do things by yourself. If you don't have any friends to do stuff with, do not wait for a friend to come from heaven. I think for the longest time, the first few years, the first 3 years, I was like, God, when are you gonna give me a friend? Wada. And God wasn't giving me that friend. Yeah, he wasn't. Because he's like, this is your season. Like, this is your current season. Embrace it. Embrace your singleness in terms of friendship. But yeah, either way, embrace your singleness. Enjoy your singleness. Enjoy being around you. Because when you are married and you have children, there will never be just you, my brother. People, my sister, people will always be lurking. So I'm eating mango chunks. Do not let the world strip you of who you are. Continue being yourself. If you are a lover girl, continue loving people. Hi. If you are a lover girl, continue loving people. If you are a lover boy, continue loving people. You will find somebody who's gonna love you for who you are. You don't need to be acting all strong, all in. Because I discovered that my walls nearly hit the Great Wall of China. Ma? Alright. Like, my walls nearly hit like the Great Wall of China, because I think I've been disappointed, I've been hurt so much by friendships that I forgot to friendship, gore ne re hana motho ha motho a tla go nna ka the intentions tsa go nna my friend. I'm like, what do you want, son of Belial? You want to destroy my destiny? Anyway, bye. That's the end of my rant. I'm gonna wait for my food and do the plan like I said, and yeah, I'll see you when I see you. So I won't fail now. He won't fail. Good. It's not morning, so I hope you're not in my nostrils. Hi, good people. Yeah, I'm going to the gym with my hair like this. I hope I didn't forget my nectar. Okay, I'm going to the gym and I forgot to get pens. So what a lot I can out to the shops. Anyway, I discovered that I did not end the video the last time, so this is me closing off the vlog. And I don't know what I said. I haven't edited it like that to listen to what I said, but I know for sure I'm not saying that like you don't need friends in life, or I don't need friends in life. I don't need friends in life. I want friends. I crave to have friends actually. You know, I wanna do that. I wanna do post girlhood. You know, I wanna experience all of that. But that's not my current season, and it's okay. What I was saying before, it's okay if you're alone. It's okay if you don't have friends. It's okay if you don't know how to make friends. It's okay. Your time will come. Make an effort towards making friends though. Oscar, you don't have friends and sulking and being in your house all day. God is not gonna drop friends at your doorstep. Anyway, make friends at church. Make time to socialize at church, you know, and well, understand